Welcome to a new video tutorial. Today you'll learn how to buy the Uni2's cryptocurrency, the coin used to pay transaction fees on the Uni2's chain blockchain. This tutorial is based on the Uni2Finance decentralized exchange for purchasing this cryptocurrency using the USDT token on the Bep20 network. The first thing you need to do is go to the official Uni2Finance URL. I'll leave it for you in the description of this video. Once you're in, locate the drop-down menu. Click on that menu and find the option to connect wallet. After you click there, select your preferred wallet. Could be MetaMask, Trust Wallet, SafePal, or any other where you have your USDT on the Bep20 network. For this example, I'll use SafePal. We accept the connection to officially log in a decentralized way to the Uni2Finance exchange. Once connected, we go back to the drop-down menu and switch networks. If you notice, we're on the Uni2's chain network, but now we need to switch to the Binance Smart Chain network because we're going to buy the cryptocurrency with USDT on the Binance Smart Chain network. Once we've switched the blockchain connection, let's find the option to buy crypto. Click on it, and at the top of this purchase screen, enter the amount of USDT you want to exchange for Uni2's cryptocurrency. The minimum purchase between USDT on the Bep20 network and Uni2's is 10 USDT. For this example, I'll use 10. If you notice, it automatically calculates the amount of Uni2's cryptocurrency I'm going to receive. Click on Buy and wait for the transaction to be processed. It will ask you to confirm the exchange or purchase, and you click Agree. If your wallet has a personal password, you'll need to enter it to approve the purchase. In a few seconds, the transaction will be processed. We can see how the transaction was approved. Now we go to our wallet and we can see that it has deducted the 10 USDT. We located the Uni2's chain blockchain. And once this network is located, we can see the amount of cryptocurrencies we have available to hold or pay transaction fees.